NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, currently holding the record as the farthest human-made object from Earth, has captivated the imagination of people around the world for nearly 5 decades. Launched in 1977, it was designed to study the outer planets and send back data that would deepen our understanding of the solar system. Over the years, Voyager 1 has gone far beyond expectations, moving past the heliosphere, crossing into interstellar space, and transmitting information from a realm no human has ever directly explored. Yet, in recent years, its transmissions have shown perplexing anomalies, signals and irregularities that defy simple explanation. Researchers are left grappling with an extraordinary question. Are these deviations merely technical malfunctions, or are they signs of something far more mysterious, potentially hinting at phenomena or intelligences that lie outside human experience? Humanity's drive to explore the unknown has always been intertwined with our pursuit of knowledge. This innate curiosity fueled the ambitious Pioneer 10 and 11 missions, which laid the groundwork for what would later become the Voyager program. On August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 was launched from NASA's Kennedy Space Center, marking the beginning of a journey that would redefine our understanding of the solar system. Shortly thereafter, on September 5, 1977, Voyager 1 followed, embarking on a trajectory aimed at the outer planets and beyond. Each spacecraft weighed approximately 721 kilograms, comparable to a small family car. Yet each carried instruments capable of revealing the intricacies of worlds millions of kilometers away. By December 15 of that year, Voyager 1 had overtaken Voyager 2, thanks to the carefully planned differences in trajectory and speed, establishing itself as the faster and ultimately farther-reaching probe. Voyager 1's first major target was Jupiter. In 1979, at a distance of roughly 265 million kilometers from Earth, the spacecraft captured high-resolution images of the gas giant, documenting a full rotation over 100 hours. This remarkable time-lapse series, comprising 3,750 images, unveiled the turbulent dynamics of Jupiter's atmosphere, including swirling storms, intricate cloud bands, and the legendary Great Red Spot, a massive vortex larger than Earth itself. During this mission, Voyager 1 also discovered a previously unseen faint ring encircling Jupiter and identified 2 new moons, dramatically expanding our understanding of the Jovian system. Following its encounters with Jupiter, Voyager 1 set its sights on Saturn, adjusting its trajectory to avoid potential collisions with Titan, Saturn's largest moon. These course corrections were meticulously calculated, demonstrating the extraordinary precision required to navigate the outer solar system using gravitational assists. These maneuvers allowed the spacecraft to conserve fuel while gaining the speed necessary to continue its journey beyond the planets. During the Saturn flyby, Voyager 1 captured detailed images of the planet's rings and identified 4 additional moons: Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, and Rhea, providing insights into their composition, orbital dynamics, and geological activity. Meanwhile, Voyager 2 was completing its own historic journey. After flybys of Jupiter and Saturn, it proceeded to Uranus and Neptune, becoming the only spacecraft to visit these ice giants. Voyager 2 observed Neptune's supersonic winds exceeding 2,100 km per hour, the fastest recorded in the solar system, and studied Triton, Neptune's largest moon, where surface temperatures plunged to a frigid 235 degrees Celsius. Triton's cryovolcanic activity, spewing nitrogen gas and icy particles up to 5 kilometers into the thin atmosphere, revealed a geologically active world that challenged previous assumptions about the outer solar system. Both Voyagers fundamentally altered our understanding of planetary systems. Before their missions, moons orbiting Jupiter and Saturn were believed to be inert and lifeless. Voyager 1's observations of Io revealed explosive volcanic activity, with eruptions thousands of times more powerful than Mount St. Helens, reshaping our perception of planetary geology. Voyager 2's flybys of Uranus and Neptune provided unprecedented data on atmospheric composition, magnetic fields, and satellite characteristics, confirming that the outer planets are dynamic and complex rather than static worlds. The Voyager's unprecedented longevity was made possible by innovative engineering and careful conservation of energy. Both spacecraft were designed to rotate slowly, reducing motion-induced distortion in their cameras and instruments. Over time, non-essential systems were powered down to extend operational life, allowing both probes to remain functional decades after their original 4-year mission plans. Gravitational assists were pivotal, enabling the spacecraft to harness the momentum of planetary flybys to accelerate and adjust trajectories with remarkable efficiency. This strategy allowed Voyager 1 to surpass its twin and ultimately exit the Solar System, crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence wanes and interstellar space begins, on August 25, 2012. Voyager 1's journey into interstellar space opened a new frontier. For the first time, humanity could directly study the environment between stars, observing plasma densities, cosmic rays, and magnetic fields in regions far beyond the protective bubble of the heliosphere. These data revealed a turbulent, dynamic, and surprisingly complex space, challenging long-held assumptions about what lies beyond our solar system. Voyager 2, following a similar path, continues to expand our understanding of interstellar conditions, offering comparative data that is invaluable for modeling the galaxy's outer reaches. Beyond scientific instruments, both Voyagers carry a symbolic message to the cosmos, the Golden Record. This interstellar time capsule contains music, greetings in 55 languages, and recordings of natural Earth sounds, from thunderstorms to whale songs. It represents humanity's hope to connect with any intelligent life that may encounter the spacecraft, serving as a testament to our curiosity and desire for understanding. The Voyager's discoveries are monumental. Voyager 1 captured the pale blue dot, a haunting image of Earth from over 6 billion kilometers away, reminding us of the fragility and uniqueness of our home. Observations of distant moons, rings, and planets have reshaped planetary science, while the ongoing transmission of data from interstellar space offers insight into cosmic rays, the interstellar medium, and the complex structure of magnetic fields beyond the Sun's influence. The anomalies and irregularities now appearing in Voyager 1's signals have raised tantalizing questions about the nature of interstellar space and whether we are encountering phenomena not yet understood. The missions of Voyager 1 and 2 are more than technical triumphs. They are symbols of human curiosity, endurance, and ambition. Their journeys have inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers, reminding us that the universe is far more intricate, dynamic, and mysterious than we ever imagined. As these spacecraft continue their silent odyssey into the unknown, they serve as our ambassadors to the cosmos, carrying both knowledge and hope, urging us to keep looking outward and questioning what we think we know. Voyager 1 and 2 have redefined humanity's place in the universe. They remind us that even a small, carefully designed machine, powered by ingenuity and perseverance, can reveal the extraordinary and push the boundaries of human understanding. With every signal received from the void, we are invited to peer deeper into the cosmos, to ponder the mysteries that lie beyond, and to imagine a future where exploration and discovery know no limits. These spacecraft are living legacies of curiosity, offering a bridge between the familiar and the infinite, between the solar system we call home and the vast, uncharted expanse that stretches beyond. As humanity awaits further insights from Voyager 1's recent anomalies, one thing is clear. The journey is far from over. The data it continues to transmit may redefine physics, challenge our understanding of space and time, and even hint at phenomena beyond human comprehension. Voyager 1 and 2 are not merely machines. They are our first eyes and ears in a realm that has remained hidden for eons. In listening to their messages, we are reminded of the boundless potential of human curiosity and the infinite mysteries the universe still holds.